Just imagine 7,48,250 rupees get credited to your account as 1 month salary. Sound unreal, right? Well, this is actually pretty normal for Google developers. और हाँ, ये उनका yearly package नहीं like TCS and others. This is just 1 month salary of them. So today we are going to discuss Google developers 3 crore and 5 crore salary package. The biggest thing, we are going to break a myth like 3 crore divided by 12 is equal to 25 lakh monthly in your bank account. No babe, things did not work like that. So today we are going to discuss Google's some senior developer salary package and going to break every single rupees. Before we talk about their salary, let's first understand their roles. Most tech companies like Amazon follows titles such as SD1, SD2 and so on. Google works differently. Google follows a level system starting from L3 for entry level engineer and going all the way to senior technical leadership. और आज हम स्पेशली बात करेंगे गूगल L6 एंड L7 इंजीनियर्स की because this is where compensations becomes truly insane. Now let's talk about L6. Who exactly is an L6 engineer? Or mostly, what do they actually do? At Google, L6 engineers are known as staff software engineer. By the time someone reaches this level, they are no longer just a developer. Their roles become much bigger than simply writing code. They design large-scale systems, lead mission-critical projects, solve some of Google's toughest engineering challenge. और साथ ही जूनियर इंजीनियर्स को मेंटर भी करते हैं, हेल्पिंग देम ग्रो, गाइडिंग देम थ्रू आउट कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम्स एंड रेजिंग ओवरऑल इंजीनियरिंग स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ थिंग. और इतनी बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ comes an equally impressive compensation package. Now let's understand how Google compensation actually works. A Google L6 engineer doesn't just receive a fixed salary. Their compensation is mainly divided into four major parts. Start from base salary, performance bonus, Google restricted stock units, and sometimes joining bonus. Although not everyone takes a joining bonus, many experienced engineers negotiate very well for a higher base salary instead. Blah blah blah. Enough theory. Let's look at the actual salary slip of Mr. Rahul, who just joined Google. Mr. Rahul is L6 software engineer at Google with a total compensation of 2.5 crore per year. Yeah, imagine. For some context, Google does not publicly reveal every employee's salary structure, but based on industry compensation data, this is very close representation of what an L6 compensation package looks like. Let's start with monthly earning. So, Mr. Rahul gets 3,54,000 as a basic pay. His HRA is equal to 1,41,600. His special allowance around 1,70,000 and his other allowance around 42 to 50,000. So far, everything looks great. But comes the most painful part, the deduction. Employee EPF, it's around his 1,800 rupees goes to his EPF. Then second professional tax, it is around 200. And biggest one, the income tax. It's it going to be around 2 lakh to 2.5 lakhs. Nirmala Tai ki jai. Just kidding guys. Paying taxes is important. It helps build our country infrastructure and public services. Although high income professionals also use completely legal tax planning strategies to reduce their tax liability. Now after all this deduction, Mr. Rahul receives around 5 lakh per month in his bank account. Yeah, that's hard. But the reality, and exactly why 2.5 crore package does not mean 20 lakh gets credited to your account every month. Because the biggest part of Google compensations are restricted stock units, RSU, which vest separately over the time. Now let's move one level higher. After few years, seeing Rahul hard work, leadership, and consistent performance, He gets promoted to L7. Now he is no longer just building Google products. He is helping shape Google's technical future. At this level, he influences company-wide architecture, makes long-term engineer decisions, leads multiple engineering teams, and mentors future technical leaders. Then definitely his compensation also reaches another level. An L7 software engineer at Google India can earn around 3.5 crore to 5 crore in total annual compensation. Once again, the exact compensation depends on base salary, performance bonus, Google RSU, and other factors. And once again, package doesn't mean monthly salary. So let's open Rahul's new salary slip. Now let's this time Rahul is working as an L7 senior software engineer at Google. For this example, we assume annual compensation is around 4 crore. Let's start with Rahul new monthly earning. Now his new basic pay is 4 lakh 80,000. His HRA is 1 lakh 92,000. Special allowance is around 2 lakh 80,000 or 2 lakh 30,000. Other allowances are around 57,000 to 60,000. Now let's look at the deduction. Employee EPF codes 1 800, professional tax codes 200, and once again the biggest deduction income tax. In Rahul case around 2.8 lakh to 3.5 lakh every month. Now after all deduction around 8 lakh to 9 lakh gets credited to Rahul bank account every month. Yeah, that's still sound like a fucking dream. Clock it, guys. But remember, his 4 crore package doesn't mean 33 lakhs get credited every month. And the important part, we all know, one of the biggest reason engineers dreams of working at Google isn't just the paycheck. Of course, it's a paycheck, but उसके साथ बहुत कुछ. Along with a highly competitive compensation, Google also offers some of the strongest workplace benefit in the industry. Depending on the role, location, and employee, may receive compensation health insurance for themselves and as well as their families. And I also heard from many engineers that they also provide for dental health and vision coverage as well, and most important region free meals. And you know the main thing, looks like the way of engineer's heart is through their stomach. And there are so many things as well, like premium work equipment, learning budgets and professional development, mental health program, and so many things like vacation, gym, fits. So many things are there. And the most important thing is Google RSU. If the Google stock price grows over the years, the value of those vested shares can grow significantly as well. That's one of the biggest reason why many experienced engineers choose to stay at for the long term. It's rewarding engineer who can solve problems at an extraordinary scale. If you enjoyed this complete background and want to understand the reality of behind India's highest paying private companies, PSUs, government job and global careers, subscribe to Career Forge. Every week we will break down one career from the inside, the salary, the responsibilities, its career growth, and so many things. I seek feedback from you guys. Whatever you think I should improve, please let me know. I will try to put that in my next video. Thank you guys.